Hi everyone! Today I'm proud to introduce our new solution for automotive key cutting duplication. Gymkana 994 represents our vision for the future of the key duplication industry. We conceived, designed and produced Gymkana 994 as an on-the-go key machine with a compact design and extremely versatile functions, so it can be seamlessly integrated in your business, shop or van. We are introducing several breakthrough innovations in the Gymkana 994. The all-in-one, self-aligning universal clamp uses only one cutter and tracer, which doesn't require a tip stop, helping to simplify operations. With Gymkana 994, you'll be able to run the machine on our new powerful keyline duplicating tool app for Android, or on our heavy-duty commercial-grade console through the Keyline Liger software. This gives our customers the flexibility and freedom to choose what makes sense for their business. The machine is designed to be durable, transportable, light and dynamic. It is by far the jewel of Keyline technology with an unmatched price-quality ratio. As with any of our products, Gymkana 994 is also proudly made in Italy. So, if you're looking for a new machine that is easy to use, helps you focus on generating more sales, and satisfies your customers, Gymkana is the solution for you.